Genecita and her daughters spend 5 hours every day collecting wood, tending the fire and cooking. This is the reality of women's lives here. They bear the brunt of cooking duties, which do not only take up so much of their time, preventing them from being able to do more productive activities, but are physically hard and damaging to their health.
Tujya gusenya duca mu bihuru tukamanuka imanga nuko tukagenda dutoragura inkwi nuko twazibona tukazamuka tukaza tugateka tugenda kujya kuzishaka ni nk'urugendo rw'isaha kabura inkwi nk'imvura ikabasanga ikabanyagira kaza bakanakererwa ntibajye ku ishuri ubwo aho bazizaniye turacana bifureka imyose icumba ubwo twagira Imana twabona bihiye tukarya ubwo nuko nyine nuko tubayeho.
DelAgua, in partnership with the government of Rwanda, is providing 2.3 million stoves free to every rural household across Rwanda. This is transforming the health and prosperity of millions and saving Rwanda's forestry. The program is known across Rwanda as Tubeho Neza, which means live well. Simply providing a stove is not enough. Education is key so that families understand not just how to use the stove, but also understand the benefits of using the stove. Our team of more than 4,000 community health workers visit every single family and continue to support them throughout the 10-year life of the stove. This is how we achieve long-term behavior change, and 99% stoves are in daily use 2 years after distribution.
Rero icyiza cy'aya mashyiga ni ugutekamo umuntu araterekaho isafuriya ugateka nta myotsi ibiryo ukabirya neza bidacumbirwa bidatokorwa rwose mana ugashyiramo udukwi nta kwatsa rwose ntago bimeze nka mbere nkuko twari twararushye muri ariya mashyiga yo hanze hariya mashyiga yo hasi ariya atatu yari yaratugoye.
Our family's lives are transformed, and so is Rwanda's nature. The stove used 71% less wood. They're keeping trees in the ground, saving crucial wildlife habitats. Without our stoves, 2 of these 3 hillsides might be stripped of their trees for firewood. On project completion, we will be saving 64 kilometers of forestry every year. By reducing biomass burning, we will be cutting carbon emission by 8.5 million tons a year, equal to removing all the cars from the streets of London and New York. For me, the best part of the Tubeho Neza project is the difference that the stove and the education program makes to the health of a family, how the stove is used, how it changes their life, and how much it's loved and used by the whole family. 10 years ago, nobody knew the damage that a 3-stone fire makes to a family, and today everyone knows and is aware.
What we have seen before distributing the stoves, in many communities there was much smoke in the hills, in their household, and even there was some sign of deforestation, which was leading to the landslide and the high runoffs and soil erosion. Those was impacting the life of Rwandans.
In homes where we have given the stove 2 years, 3 years ago, when I go back to visit those homes, I can see the transformation. I can see how happy they are. I can listen to their testimonies talking about how they are not going to the health centers or hospitals once like they used to go often because of all those sicknesses that could come from the smoke, but now it's amazing to witness. It's amazing to see the cleanliness in their houses. It's amazing to see how they feel happy, and I mean, it's just great to see how they feel because of the stove.